I still remember that morning. The sky was gray, the wind was cold, and somehow my heart knew something was wrong. I didn't know that it would be the last time I'd see you standing there, the last time I'd hear your voice, the last time you'd be mine. You stood beside the doorway, silent tears inside your eyes, trying hard to find the words while I searched for reasons why. The room felt colder than before, even though the sun was rising. And every second that passed between us felt like a goodbye in disguise. I kept hoping you'd change your mind, that you'd reach for my hand again, that somehow we'd find a way to stop the ending from beginning. But love was already slipping away, like sand between trembling fingers. And no matter how tightly I held on, I couldn't make you stay. There are moments that divide a life into the life before and the life after. The day you left became one of those moments. The day you left, the colors disappeared from the sky. The day you left, even the sunlight forgot how to shine. The day you left, a part of me went with you, and ever since that day I've been searching for the peace of my heart you took away. Your memory, the coffee cup you used to hold, the chair where you'd sit and smile, the photographs upon the wall, frozen in a happier time. Sometimes I hear your laughter in the silence of the night. Sometimes I turn around expecting to see you standing there, but memories can be cruel. They let you relive the beautiful moments without giving you the chance to live them again. The colors disappeared from the sky. The day you left, even the sunlight forgot how to shine. The day you left, a part of me went with you, and ever since that day I've been searching for the peace of my heart you took away. People tell me time will heal, they say the pain will fade, they say one day I'll wake up and it won't hurt anymore. Maybe they're right, but they never knew your smile, they never heard your voice, they never felt the way you could make an ordinary day feel extraordinary. So how could they understand what it means to lose you? No answers, no explanations, just memories dancing through the silence. No answers. If I could go back to that final day, I wouldn't argue, I wouldn't ask you to stay. I'd simply hold you longer, memorize every detail, every smile, every heartbeat, every breath, because I never knew how much I would miss them. Whoa! Some nights I still read old messages, some nights I still say your name. of the day you left. The rain eventually stops. The seasons change, the years moved on. But some memories never truly leave. Some people never truly leave. They remain in the songs we hear, in the dreams we dream, in the love we carry. And though you're gone, a part of you still lives here, inside my heart. Forever, forever, forever. You stood beside the doorway, silent tears inside your eyes, trying hard to find the words while I searched for reasons why. The room felt colder than before, even though the sun was rising. And every second that passed between us felt like a goodbye in disguise. I kept hoping you'd change your mind, that you'd reach for my hand again, that somehow we'd find a way to stop the ending from beginning. But love was already slipping away, like sand between trembling fingers. And no matter how tightly I held on, I couldn't make you stay. There are moments that divide a life